Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to sign up in TikTok account. So let's get started. At first let's get into the TikTok. So here it is. Now click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now click on sign up. Now you can simply continue with your Facebook, Google or Twitter account. Today let's use the phone number or email, that is first option here. Now type your phone number and click on send code and you'll get the code in that number. Before that we need to verify. So now let's wait for the number. So here it is. Now it asks for your birth date. So this is my birthday. Now click on next. Now write the password you want to keep. Now click on next. Now give any nickname you want. Now OK. So finally you are signed up to your TikTok account. So this is how you can sign up to TikTok. So that was all for this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.